everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today Dad is row crop cultivating, and I'm going to explain to you why we still row crop cultivate. As some of you may know, we farm organic, so that means we can't use any herbicides, pesticides, fungicides, or anything of that sort. So we use manure for our fertilizer, and for our tillage after the crop is planted, we use rotary hoeing and row crop cultivating. 40-50 years ago, row crop cultivating was very popular. Nowadays, not so much. The row crop cultivator that we have is a little different than most others. It has big sweeps that will throw dirt around the plant, and it also has big discs called disc hillers, and they'll hill around the plant as well. So it covers up the little weeds to keep them from getting bigger around the plant. Any weeds that we miss with the row crop cultivator, we have to go through the field and cut. Like this weed right here, it is right next to the beans. You can see the stem is right where the beans are. So the cultivator will not cut this weed, since it will cut out soybeans if it tries to cut that one. This is the end of this short little video on how we kill weeds on our farm. If you enjoyed it, give it a like and subscribe down below. I really appreciate it. Thanks for watching.